Thanks. You visualize this being used in behavioral modifications? In terms of hand movement and positioning on the mouse or other?
There's going to definitely be a learning curve for people to use it. Obviously, mouses have scrolling features, left, right, up, down, left, right, and right. So to be able to put all of that onto a sort of a relative motion device, we're going to have to come up with new features, maybe rotating, or maybe there might be a push button on certain angles of the device itself. So there will be a learning curve associated with it. We've looked at our data stream and we've identified specific motions that are recognizable and distinguishable, and then we'll create software for that in this semester.
So what do you see on the status was, and what do you see the challenge to get to the final goal?
Biggest challenge is going to be the accelerometer. Generally, accelerometers, can't set very small accelerations, and so that, if you have one button here and one button right next to it, can you actually move it that precisely? We haven't looked into that. It might be very difficult to do, and that's the biggest difficulty actually in time. And we might have to implement some more image processing or ultrasound technologies to sort of make up the very precise movements that we have to track.
So you have something that is being built now, or?
Yes, we're actually using the TI sensor. We looked at using some individual accelerometers, judgment, some microcontrollers with Bluetooth low energy, but the sensor is pretty much the whole package in one. TI put together this device is exactly what we needed for our project. Basically, it's the accelerometer, it's also got temperature and humidity sensors, which we aren't using, and it's got Bluetooth low energy all in one package. It makes it very easy. And so we were able to interface that with the computer, see the data stream. Now we just need to tap into that stream and recognize certain functions that we can identify.
Have you consulted the surgeons or anybody working with Carpal syndrome and coordinated the data from the
We haven't, but we've looked a lot into publications that people put out about CTS. There's definitely a lot of research going on in the 90s about the surgical aspects of it. We might be able to set up a clinical trial next semester to actually ask people if they like this device. But one of the great things about our design was we were using a brace that was already designed for people with CTS. So a lot of the health research that we've gone into developing that brace, we just sort of stole and put it into our mouse because it's holding the person in that very comfortable, very painless position already. So we're basically using the research into the development of that brace for the health concerns of our mouse.
Question? I'd like to see that we pick 5 subjects, at least a couple of which had carpal syndrome in the past, and have them test the final system against something, some other generic baseline. I think the question that was asked here earlier is the solution that you're having, is it intended to train the person to change the way they use the mouse? This way they don't continually aggravate carpal syndrome again. But is there a corrective behavior?
I don't think you would use the CTS mouse and then go back to a regular mouse because there's a completely different set of instructions and you wouldn't really, it's not really important. It's something you have to learn separately.
And it's asking for
Yeah, we'd like to have that data as well for the next semester.
All right, so thank you, speaker.